and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
As seen from the last video, today I got an upgrade for my rig. So you can see here with all the new fancy RGB and stuff, I'm gonna officially peel this beast. Oof. Oh! Oof. As you can see from the previous video, I have upgraded my entire rig and also a new monitor and with a very decent price. So now I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of the new rig. First of all, let's talk about the motherboard because mama always comes first. So this is the TUF Gaming B460M Plus Intel motherboard, which has a LGA 1200 socket for Intel chips. So you do not put the wrong things in the wrong hole. So one good thing about this motherboard is that it has comprehensive cooling, which means it has a lot of heatsinks, including a VRM heatsink up here, a PCH heatsink down here. Also the M.2 heatsink, which is kinda behind the GPU, which I can't really, pull it out because it's behind the GPU. And since this is a TUF motherboard, so obviously the components are gonna be pretty tough. The chokes and the capacitors up here are TUF certified, so you know they won't die easily, like me in Valorant, so you know they are good. Also, if you're having internet issues or like lag issues because you're sharing internet with your siblings, don't worry, got your back, because this motherboard has a turbo LAN function which you can prioritize certain software with just one click. So you can prioritize your game and you can screw your siblings, but just not literally though, just figuratively, okay? Despite the TUF Gaming series being the more affordable sibling of ASUS, it doesn't mean that you can't have every gamer's favorite thing. That is RGB lighting, the blinks. This motherboard is also Aura Sync compatible, so you can sync your lights to the rest of your gear. This is the latest 10th Gen Core i5 Intel chip, the i5-10400F to be precise. So this one right here has 6 cores and 12 threads and features a 2.9 GHz base clock that can go all the way up to 4.3 GHz max on a single core with Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0. If you're wondering if it's powerful enough for gaming, let me show you. So as you can see, I'm playing Valorant right now and I'm getting an average of 350 FPS. Even when I'm streaming, I don't feel any lag or delay, which is great. But with my old rig, when I see someone and try to shoot it, I cannot, I freeze. And then when I shoot, it just miss. So now with the new rig, I can hit everyone. It's so smooth, like baby buttocks, you know? Baby buttocks. Yeah. But anyway, back to the rig. Another thing I want to show you is the cooler. This is the LC240 RGB AIO liquid cooler from TUF Gaming. Like, it's right there in the middle. It's very hard to miss, just like you watching the video. So luckily, this TUF Gaming cooler also has Aura Sync, so it can match your motherboard and the 120mm radiated fans it comes with. The fans have specially designed grooves on the blades, so it can stay silent while keeping the PC cool. Besides that, almost everything else is also TUF, such as the TUF GPU and the TUF casing. But the PSU though, it's Strix, which is a little bit triggering. But at the same time, it's ROG, so it's the same family, so I think it's fine, right? So yeah. So this is the overview of my new shiny TUF Gaming rig. You think ASUS is expensive? Gotta think again. So TUF is a budget gaming line under ASUS. It is value for money, it is affordable, and most importantly, you can keep your kidneys. Yeah. As a streamer, the most important thing when it comes to using OBS or XSplit is to have a smooth gameplay and 0 frame drops. That's why you don't really need a very expensive gear. You just need a decent gear to be able to stream and play at the same time without any issues. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the journey of me going through the new rig. If you guys are interested to get your own as well, don't forget to check out TUF Gaming. And also if you guys like any content like this, check out Salty Dudes Network. And yeah, that's it for me for this video. See you guys next time.